What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the Court Purple colorway. First off, I want to give a huge thank you over to Switch Skate and Snow, which is an independent skateboard shop owned and operated out of Ajax here in Southern Ontario, which is about 30 minutes east of Toronto. If you haven't heard of them before, I'll link their Instagram, their website, all that good stuff down below. So these Court Purple Dunks are a GR SB Dunk, so they should be trickling into skate shops right now. They retail for $100 US or $135 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is Court Purple, white and black. The color blocking of this shoe is very similar to the Black Toe Jordan 1, but of course instead of the signature red, this pair is highlighted and accented with purple. So taking a deep dive into this shoe, this is your classic SB Dunk Low Pro silhouette. The base layer of the sneaker is constructed using this thin white leather. And to be honest, the quality of this leather wasn't bad at all, and it doesn't really have a strong plastic feel, which I was kind of expecting. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, here we have this black colored leather, and again the black leather they used here was also pretty good quality as well. The black leather runs up covering the eyelets of the shoe, and then beneath this, on both sides of the sneaker, the quarter panel is again covered in white leather. Overlaid on top, we have a black leather swoosh, and then moving downwards, this is covered in this Court Purple colored leather. The remainder of the back of the shoe is covered in black leather, and we have Nike embroidered at the very top in black lettering. For the laces, so these come with your standard oval shaped black colored laces, but they also give you a secondary pair of white laces, but personally it would have been nice if they gave us purple laces instead, but I might just buy them on my own and just swap them on the shoe. Underneath the laces we have your signature padded tongue, which is constructed out of this white nylon material. At the very top, we have this white tag with Nike SB Dunk Low Pro branding in black. The interior of the shoe is lined in this black colored material, and because this is a Dunk Low Pro model, we have additional padding surrounding the back Achilles area of the shoe. Moving on to the insole, so these come with your standard SB Dunk insole. This is lined in purple with Nike SB and Zoom Air branding stamped on the heel in white. And because this is an SB Dunk, flipping the insole to the other side, we have a Zoom Air unit underneath the heel for cushioning and impact protection. So the upper of these SB Dunks sits atop this white colored midsole, and then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic SB Dunk Low Pro outsole. This is entirely done in this purple colored rubber. We have this circular traction pattern on the forefoot, along with this exposed foam in the middle with Nike SB branding. So this is a pretty straightforward, simple take on the SB Dunk Low. So for those wondering how these fit the same to me as most of my other SB Dunks. So in my case, I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. And for SB Dunk Lows, I prefer to go up a half size to a 10.5. So I got these in my size 10.5, and like I said, they fit like most of my other SB Dunk Lows, so whatever size you normally are, I'd stick with that same size. And if you haven't worn an SB Dunk Low before, I personally prefer to go up a half size. It gives me a bit more room in the toe box, but if you want more of a snug one-to-one fit, I feel like true to size might be okay as well. Next up, in terms of comfort, so these shoes aren't the most comfortable sneaker out there. Because this is technically a skateboarding sneaker, it feels very flat and very grounded, and you have a lot of stability, but if you're expecting something with a lot of softness and cushioning, then this might be a bit of a disappointment. It's going to be fine for just an everyday casual use sneaker, but it is quite firm on feet, so definitely have that in mind if you're planning on picking these up. Finally, in terms of the quality and craftsmanship on this pair, overall for a GR SB Dunk, I wasn't mad at all. And for a shoe that's $100 US or $135 Canadian, the leather was actually semi-decent and it didn't really have a strong plastic feel to it, which was a bonus. With all that being said now, let's lace up these Court Purple SB Dunk Lows, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. All in all, this is just a very solid, very decent colorway of an SB Dunk Low GR. It's not something that I would absolutely go crazy for. For example, I wouldn't be paying the current resale price for this, which I believe is around 400 Canadian dollars right now. But if I'm able to get these for retail, which I did, or even if I'm able to get these for a solid deal under the current market price, this is a pair I would definitely gladly add to my collection. Personally, I don't really love the color purple. It's not something I wear too often, but I think the color blocking on this pair is just very simple. And the fact that the majority of the shoe is just black and white, I think it makes this pair a little bit more wearable. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Court Purple SB Dunk Low Pro. How do you guys feel about this color blocking of this shoe? And do you feel like it's worth the current resale prices of around 400 Canadian, or is it a bit overinflated? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esgo8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you for the continued love and support, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.